Assalamu alaikum grade 1 children. See, in last video we covered till page number 14 children. We did the poem and the exercises and the reading, everything we did of till page number 14. Today in this video teacher is going to start page number 15. On that page, vowel family U is there. With vowel family U, the poem is there. See on the page number 15 on the top of the page. Teacher is going to read the poem for you. You just look to the picture. Here it is a very beautiful picture, and in this, what is that children? A big red bug sat on a jug. The bees did hum in the hot sun. We dug up some mud, gave Mum a big hug, and had a lots of fun. All these red color words, no children. Here is the bug. Next is a jug. In third line, hum. In fourth line, sun. In fifth line, dug. Another one more word in fifth line only, mud. In sixth line, mum, and another word is hug. And the last word, fun, fun, in the seventh line. So this poem, it is of a 7-line poem with the words family of vowel U. Here this poem teacher read for you. See in the picture what the first line they are saying. A big red bug. But here children, by mistake here the bug is of yellow color. It is not of a red color. And it is in a jug. There is a jug and it is he sat on a jug. Then another 2 lines. Here the bees did hum in the hot sun. Here are these 2 bees children, and they are just roaming from here to there, and they are doing hum. And in another 2, in the hot sun, here is the sun children, see. The sun is over here and it is shining very brightly, then we say hot sun to it. Then we dug up some mud. We dug off some mud. That is a dug, D-U-G, dug. We dug up some mud. Mud, you know children what it is mud? Mud जो मिट्टी होती है ना, गीली मिट्टी, उसको mud बोलते हैं. And dug means ऐसा जमीन से निकालना उसको खोदना. It is known as dug, D-U-G, dug. So this boy, no, he is digging mud and giving to mum, M-U-M, mum. Here mum. Here mum is what children? Mum, it is short form of mummy. We are saying mom also, huh? But here they have given M-U-M, mum. And a big hug. When we are just coming and with our arms, you know, we are just holding our mama. It is known as hug, H-U-G, hug. And had a lots of fun. And they are having a lots of fun outside the house. Because jug is there, on that what is there children? Bug is there. Hot sun is there, this boy is digging, and mommy is there, and they are having lots of fun. So this is the poem One more time teacher will read for you. A big red bug sat on a jug. The bees did hum in the hot sun. We dug up some mud, gave Mum a big hug, and had a lots of fun. Here children, this is very good poem. You have to learn it. Learn. Your HW is learn. Learn the poem. Okay, today's date is what children? Today is 6/7/2020. Then children, down one exercise it is given. Here they have given the words, but they are not arranged properly. They are wrong. We have to arrange them and make it correct spelling or correct word for this picture. This boy he is running. So RUN, run. Here it is which picture is this? Sun. So we will write SUN, sun. This picture is of bun. We will write over here BUN, bun. This is the picture of gun. So we will write GUN, gun. Now turn the page and come on the page number 16. This is your last exercise of this lesson, and on this page children, actually it is a group activity, but you are not in a group now, you are isolated at your home. So we will do this activity of these first two only. What we will do, that you have to take chart paper or the pages and make like this small pieces, like cards only. You have to make the cards of the paper or the chart paper. If chart paper is there at home, you make with the chart paper. If chart paper is not there, you can make with the drawing paper also. So here, see, first what they are telling, make 6 cards with the words ending with AT, ED. So teacher has made the 6 card. First card is, the word is ending with AT. At, B-A-T, bat. So you have to make a new word and you can make the picture of bat also children. You write B-A-T, bat, and small bat you make over here. Then second one, you will take the word is ending with ED. B-E-D, bed. You make the picture of bed. Then children, here it is AN. The word is ending with AN, CAN, can. It is in the book, the can picture it is given. You can find out from the book and make the picture of can. You can take the help of your mother, or you can take the help of your elder brother and sister to make this drawing. EN, the word ending with EN, HEN, hand. Then the last word children, it is ET. You will write NET, net. You will make the picture of net. All these pictures you will get in the textbook. Now here another, see children, one more it is there. Last word it is OT, ought, HOT, hot. You can make a cup and from there you can show the hot tea. Now children, these were all vowels family. O, A, U, E, like that. But here are the some 6 more cards are there, and these are the consonants. What are the consonants, children? In the first video only I explained you. In English alphabets, there are 26 alphabets. Then from them, 5 are vowels, which we learn, and remaining 21 alphabets they are known as consonants. So here some consonants, 6 consonants we will take, and we will make the picture and we will write the word for that. First word, consonants, we will take B. With B, what word? Book. B-O-O-K, book. You make the picture of book over here. Second word, we will take P. P-E-N, pen. You make the picture of pen or pencil over here. Then children, another word, third word is T. Make the word, write the word top, and you make your picture of top. Then next word is L. L-E-G, leg. N. N-I-N-E, 9. Only 9. You will write the number 9 over there for the picture. Then children, last word is fish. Write that F word. With F we will write the word fish, and we will make the picture of fish over there. So you will make like this 12 cards. 6 with consonants and 6 with vowels. So this is your homework. You do it, make the cards. Today's video, it is over, children. Assalamu alaikum, rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.